Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name Harlina. I am a Master of Economic and Business Education student at the State University of Jakarta. I would like to present the result of my thesis research with the title The Influence of Financial Literacy on Investment Behavior of SMP teachers in Bekasi district taught spiritual attitude and self-efficacy as mediating variables. Background research. Based on the report of the Financial Services Authority, OJK, the total public loss due to illegal investment in Indonesia research 120.79 trillion in 222. Data in the number of complaints received by OJK based on the sector report January to 224 to July 224. Fintech financial technology rank height-wide 6,289 complaints. Banking rank second wide 6,005 complaints. Financing companies receive 3,701 complaints. Insurance, there were 765 complaints in this sector. Other complaint is this category received 252 reports. One of the investment victims was a college at SMP 2 Tambun North. The total number of victims, the honey cleansing for fraudulent investment in Indonesia is estimated to reach 30,000 people, with loss estimate 500 billion to 1 trillion. Halo.pdk.com. Problem formulation and research objectives. To find out the feature of the influence of financial literacy and investment behavior mediated by spiritual attitude and self-efficacy. Number 2, to test and analyze influence of financial literacy to spiritual attitude. Influence financial literacy to self-efficacy. Influence financial literacy to investment behavior. Influence spiritual attitude to self-efficacy. Influence spiritual attitude to investment behavior. Influence self-efficacy to investment behavior. Influence financial literacy to investment behavior mediated spiritual attitude. And influence financial literacy to investment behavior, mediasi self-efficacy. Benefit of research. Benefit for practitioners. For social studies teachers in Bekasi Regency and the community, the research result can provide a better understanding to the community about the importance of financial literacy in managing personal finance and making smart economic decisions. Benefits for academics. The finding of this study can open new insight to the relationship between financial literacy and investment behavior by including spiritual attitude and self-efficacy as mediating variables. Benefit for the development of economic science. This study also provides a basic for developing a more comprehensive and contextual conceptual model to understand the relationship between financial literacy, spiritual attitude, self-efficacy, and investment behavior. Theoretical review. 1. Financial literacy. The Financial Services Authority defines financial literacy as the series of process or activities aimed at improving to knowledge, skill, and confidence of consumers and the wider community to better manage their personal finance. Rimon 210A. Investment behavior. Investment behavior is a pattern of actions or decisions taken by individuals or groups in managing their assets and capital to achieve certain financial goals. Sahu and Kumari 215. Spiritual attitude. Spiritual attitude is an action that is expected to be possessed by them, which is related to the physiological dimension involving spiritual, inner, fight, and vitty aspect to good or might. Safara and Bhatia 2030. Self-efficacy. Self-efficacy is an individual's belief in their ability to mobilize their motivation, cognitive resources, and action needed to achieve success in the particular context. Basito et al. 2018. Theoretical framework. Brain theory, Bandura social cognitive theory, Harine et al., Ilmiani, and Kalmus and Egeman, 2002. Social cognitive theory, in a Bandura's view, human behavior is not only determined by stimulus and response, but also by cognitive process and environment influence. Middle theory, constructivism, Ferrari, Muhammad and Quino, and Sim et al. 2023. Constructivism theory, in constructivist theory learning and decision-making occur through the process of integrating new knowledge, in this case, financial literacy, with exciting personal experience, value, and beliefs. Muhammad and Quino, 2020. Financial literacy as variable X, spiritual attitude as Y1, self-efficacy as variable Y2, and instrument behavior as variable Z. Research hypothesis. Hypothesis 1, financial literacy influence spiritual attitude. Hypothesis 2, financial literacy influence self-efficacy. Hypothesis 3, financial literacy influence investment behavior. Hypothesis 4, spiritual attitude influence self-efficacy. Hypothesis 5, spiritual attitude influence investment behavior. Hypothesis 6, self-efficacy influence investment behavior. Hypothesis 7, financial literacy influence investment behavior mediated spiritual attitude. Hypothesis 8, financial literacy influence investment behavior mediated self-efficacy. Research and unit scope. This study uses purposive sampling technique, which is a non-probability sampling method in which units are selected for inclusion and the sample because of their accessibility to the researcher. Population and sample. The population in this study was all junior high school social studies teachers. In Bekasi Regency, the number of sample was calculated using the Taro-Yamane formula. Data analysis technique. In this study, Smart PLS version 4 software was used by data analysis technique based on structural equation modeling, or SEM, using the partial least square or PLS approach. SEM is a data analysis technique that always stimulates testing of relationship formed from one or more independent variables or unmeasured variables. Nisa et al. 221. PLS is useful for testing causal relationship simultan, usually from latent variable to indicators. Nisa et al. 2021. Respondent profile description. Gender of respondent 17.1% respondent is woman. To 23.9% respondent is men. Respondent length of work 0 to 5 years 30.8%. 6 to 10 years 11.6%. 11 to 15 years 21%. 16 to 12 years 34.3%. And age of 20 years 19.3%. Respondent work unit status 115 respondent teacher in the junior high school state and 23 teacher work in the junior high school Okay, respondent district origin. The respondent from all of sufficient in District Bekasi. Data description. Financial literacy. In the financial literacy variable, the highest average was obtained in question number 3, which is 4.33. And question, I understand the importance of managing personnel debt wisely and in accordance with the financial capabilities. This shows that respondents are aware of the importance of maintaining a balance between financial obligation and long-term financial goods or investment. However, the small average, which is 3.70, is found in question 7 and 8. Question is, I follow the latest economic trend and how they can affect my investment. And I have a clear and specific financial plan for the next few years. Spiritual attitude. In the spiritual attitude variable, the highest average value information was obtained in question number 4. The question is, I feel grateful for the investment result that I get because I believe that every result is part of a blessing. This shows a positive attitude and full of gratitude of respondents toward investment result, regardless and the size of the return obtained. The loss average value in the spiritual attitude variable in the question number 3. The question, I avoid investing in industries that conflict with my spiritual beliefs, such as alcohol, gambling, or industries that damage the environment. Self-efficacy. Self-efficacy obtained the highest average value information in question number 1. The question, I feel that the investment decision I make are entirely my responsibility. The highest average result indicate that the majority of respondents realize the importance of having full control over their investment decision. The loss average value in the self-efficacy variable in indicator question number 5. Question is, I do not easily panic or feel anxious when the investment market is fluctuating. Reflect the level of claim and ability to control investor emotion in dealing with market dynamics. Investment behavior. Description of answer on the investment behavior variable. The highest average value information was obtained in question number 2. The question, I have clear investment goals for long-term need and requirement, such as retirement or children education. This shows that awareness along time financial planning. The loss average is in equation number 5. The question is, I often buy and sell assets in a short time to take advantage of price movement, indicating that the majority of respondents do not often carry out short-time asset buying and selling activities. Auto-loading evaluation, final models, auto-loading evaluation, factor loading, factor loading is no, 0.7, same as not valid, invalid. Construct reliability and convergent validity test. Literacy, financial literacy 0.601, comeback alpha 0.926, composite reliability 0.938. Spiritual attitude, average variance extrait 0.689, comeback alpha 0.924, composite reliability 0.939. Self-efficacy 0.743, convex alpha 0.913, composite reliability 0.935. Investment behavior, average variance extrait 0.675, comeback alpha 0.939, composite reliability 0.949. Inner loading, evaluation, R-square, variable self-efficacy, R-square 0.547, R-square adjusted 0.542. Investment behavior, or that R-square 0.660, R-square adjusted 0.655. Spiritual attitude, or Y1, R-square 0.496, R-square adjusted 0.493. Hypothesis test. Financial literacy influence, attitude, spiritual attitude, value, standard coefficient 0.704, test statistic 13.106, the value 0.0, significant. All of variable, all of hypothesis significant. By result significant. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.